Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you like to hike, then you have to check out these boots from SHULOOK.
I recently visited the Blue Ridge Mountains and found these boots to be a lifesaver. Not only are they waterproof, keeping my feet dry in unpredictable weather, but their lightweight design means I can hike for hours without feeling weighed down. Whether I was hiking through rocky trails, trekking through muddy slopes, or simply setting up our camp, these boots provided the stability and support I needed. I'm really liking the color and style. They are extremely durable, and most importantly for me, I was looking for comfort. And I have to say, after hiking for miles, my feet were not tired, very comfortable. The sides come up a bit higher for ankle support, which worked really well in the rocky terrain. Excellent grips on the bottom. Overall, these boots have really exceeded my expectations, and I would highly recommend them to my fellow adventurers looking for comfort, durability, and style on their outdoor escapades.
And that's my point of view.